G'day, I was ADV rider, just out testing out my camera equipment. I've been having some audio issues. Last week I had a lot of crackling in my audio, so I don't know if it's the microphone or the camera. It was raining when we headed out last week, so probably got water in something. So I want to test out, I've only got the one mic in this helmet. I want to test out the mic in both cameras. I have an Insta360 One RS and a Gopro 9. Yeah, the problem with this experiment is this camera, the 9, does not like cold weather. So I bought some Enduro batteries today, which supposedly are better in cold weather and they last longer. Yeah, Petro from ADV, who actually gave me this camera, which was very, very generous of him, suggested I try the Enduro batteries. So I'd never heard of them before. So I went out and got some this morning. I wanted to get new batteries for this camera anyway, so I may as well get the good ones. Yeah, I did a little ride yesterday and the audio sounded alright for most parts, but then got crackly as I went. I don't know if it's the wind, movement. I cleaned all the connections with contact cleaner today, just to make sure they are clean. This Insta has the mic adapter. The whole reason I chose this camera is because it's more reliable than the GoPros, and up till now it has been. I've had this camera for about a year. I've had very little trouble with it. Yeah, the GoPro 9 has absolutely beautiful picture quality, but it just plays up a bit. It really doesn't like the cold weather, but see how we go with these new batteries. Anyway, we'll go a bit further, we'll swap them around, see what happens. I'll turn that off just to save that battery. Backed myself into a big hole. Go see what's up this hill. If I can get out of this hole. Tyre's full of mud. Oh, where the fuck am I now? On burnout pad, donut pad, mate. Where am I? Hope that's not too boggy. Oh, we're good. Yeah, we'll go this way, I guess. Yeah, pretty sure it's a Commodore VE wagon. Could be VF, I guess. Bit hard to tell from that state. Nothing salvageable on it, that's for sure. Oh, the gearbox. She's melted. Oh, the tail shaft looks alright. Someone's unbolted it. Doesn't look right. Just getting myself lost as usual. Sometimes you do something from one direction and you know it, and when you try it from a different direction it doesn't work. This might be it here. This kind of looks familiar. Sounds like my chain needs adjusting and lubing again. I can hear it slapping about. Yeah, this is it. Now, yeah, I went through there yesterday. And it just comes back out on that same, is it Codes Forest Road, I think it is. And this one comes out at the top of Swinglers or something like that. To the rocky section. Whoop, whoop. whoop. That's it. Righto, that's the road down there. We might go to the left here. I've been down here before, it's pretty cool. That's not a bad view though either. A lot of rattles today. I've got the top box on and not much in it, so it's just cameras and tripods bouncing around all over the place. Yeah, I don't even know if this will end up being a video. With the audio might be stuffed, it might be good, who knows. Oop. G'day. Try this way. I got a feeling I went the other way last time. Oop. Yeah. I'm dry and rocky now. Get her into second for the rest of the hill. I used to get nervous about those rock ledges. I know I can just roll over them now, even when the bike's loaded. Oh, look at that. What road is that? Is that where I come out before? I reckon it is. Oof. Yeah. I just done a big loop. Anyway, righto, that was good fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the audio works out and I actually make a video out of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.